Hello guys, in this video we will see what is concept of open loop transfer function. In short, we call it as OLTF, and we will see the value of OLTF in unity feedback system. So what is OLTF? If we disconnect the feedback from a closed loop system, then the product of GS and HS is known as open loop transfer function, or in short OLTF. Okay, so here it is: disconnected feedback, open loop transfer function, or OLTF, equals product of GH and HS. It is a very important term. You have to remember this thing. So we know our closed loop transfer function formula: Ts equals to Gs by 1 plus Gs Hs. Okay, so in numerator it will be Gs, and in denominator it will be 1 plus Gn Hs. We can write it as OLTF. So the things that are in denominator, we can say the things as characteristic equation or poles of transfer function. So these are known as the thing that are in denominator. They are known as characteristic equation or poles of transfer function. Now we will see the expression in unity feedback system. So in unity feedback system, we know the feedback path gain Hs will be 1. So the OLTF will be Gs into Hs. The value of Hs is 1, so Gs into 1 equals to Gs. So our closed loop transfer function value, we know it as Gs divided by 1 plus Gs Hs. So for unity feedback system, the Hs value will be 1, so the CLTF value will be Gs into 1 equals to Gs by 1 plus Gs. So we can write OLTF as Gs. So just change the expression. In place of Gs, just write OLTF. So OLTF by 1 plus OLTF. So we can write CLTF equals to OLTF by 1 plus OLTF. You have to remember the thing that OLTF is a property of closed loop system, not of open loop system. So you have to remember the thing that OLTF is a property of closed loop system. It's not a property of open loop system. As you can see that the feedback path is disconnected. That's it for today's video. Thanks for joining.